your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time special, welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make plum and watermelon smoothie. So guys, let's get started. I will be using some watermelon and plum. I'll pour this into my blender. Watermelon and plum smoothie is ready. Thank you for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.